guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amelia G, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the essentials you need to achieve a gel manicure set. Let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to talk about is probably the biggest item you need, and some people forget that they need it. The first thing you need is a lamp. You need your UV LED lamp, and make sure you get a big one. One this size will work, however, the wattage is so little that it's going to take a very long time just to cure it. You need a lamp to cure the polish, whether it be the base coat, the color, or the top coat. Again, you can use a small one like this on Amazon. It's probably maybe $5 or $6. Don't quote me on the price because I don't know. This came with a kit, or you can just purchase the bigger one. This one probably cost me $20. Yeah. And this one has 3 settings on it, so you have your 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and a 99-second one. They're cheap, they're inexpensive. However, if you're going to do your own gel manicure set, you need a lamp, okay? You need a lamp. I just wanted to make sure I talked about the biggest thing, because this will cure your polish. This will dry your polishes once you put them on. If you don't have this and you're gonna wonder why it's not drying, because you didn't dry it. The next thing you're gonna need are your base coat. There are so many base coats that they have out on Amazon, in your beauty supply stores, Sally's, but I have at least 5 different ones for base coats. So I have an o.p.i, a Gershon, my one that I grab all the time that I probably have in every video, which is the iGel Beauty, modelones, and Azuri. All of these work for me just fine. I have no issues using these. But again, base coat. You need a base coat if you're going to do a gel manicure set. It's the #1 thing you do when you start your nails. So base coat, you need a base coat. The next thing you're gonna need is your color. So whatever color you select, that's what you're gonna need. Colors. I have a plethora of them. I'm not gonna pull all of them out, but whichever color you choose to paint your nails, that's what you'll need. So with your colors, and if you're like going to various stores and picking your colors out, make sure the polish that you're using specifies that it's a gel color and not a regular nail color. With o.p.i, they have different tops. So the regular polish is going to be with a black top, and the gel polish is going to be with a white top. I haven't seen any other o.p.i colors that are like that. I know this is how o.p.i separates their regular from their gel. When you're going to select your color, make sure that you're getting the one that says gel polish and not just your regular color. Just make sure that you are paying attention to what the product says. So we've talked about the UV LED lamp, your base coats, the color choice that you want to choose, and then after you do all that, you will need a top coat. I don't know if it's a good thing to just do base coat and color and leave it at that. I don't think that's good. I'm not going to recommend you do that. So you'll need top coats. I have all different brands of top coats. Actually, the same ones that I mentioned with base coats, I have it with the top coat, because 9 times out of 10 you buy your base coat and top coat together, or you can buy them separately. To each his own. But I have a couple. I've got modelones, and with modelones I have a regular top coat, and then I have a matte top coat. So if I want to do a matte look, I'll do my color and then I'll put a matte top coat on top of it, and it'll give me that matte look. It came in a set because I really haven't jumped on the matte top coat boat, but I'm there, okay? I have it. If ever and whenever I'm ready to jump into that boat, I'll do it. There are some top coats that require you to take alcohol and wipe it off, because it leaves a sticky or a tacky layer on the top. So you just take some alcohol and just wipe it off. But there are some out there that you don't have to do that at all. I have one, actually I have 2 different types. The iGel Beauty I got from iGel Beauty, obviously. One says that it is a no cleanse top coat, so that means I don't have to clean it off after I finish curing it I'm done. If I use just a regular top coat, I'll need to wipe it off because there will be a tacky layer on the top of your nail, and you're not gonna wanna walk around with a tacky layer because everything will be like sticking to it. You'll get lint all over the place. Trust me, you don't wanna go through it. I've used this one maybe 2 times, maybe, but 9 times out of 10, I always have this one, the No Cleanse. I always have it in front of me and I'm ready to go. So those are the 4 essentials that you need when doing a gel manicure. I hope you all enjoy this video, and until I make my next one, I'll see you guys then. Don't forget to listen to Niece Ava. Bye.
Click subscribe and turn on notifications to give me a huge thumbs up.